Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can receive push messages on PLAYit. So let's get started. Firstly, open PLAYit app on your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on settings. Then tap on general. Next you can see the option of receive push messages. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can receive push messages on PLAYit. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.